Hey everyone, this is Swati. Welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see how to send Discord notification to team on Typeform submission. Before we start, what is Typeform? So Typeform is a form builder application where you can create different types of forms like registration form, research surveys, etc. And what is Discord? So it is an instant social messaging app. Now let's say that I am an HR manager and every time there's a new joinee, I wish to send them welcome message. How would I do that? So once they come, I'll get all their details and then I'll write a message to them. This can happen manually, but it is going to take a lot of time and it is also going to be really hectic. What if I tell you every time this new joinee fills the form with all the details, automatically a message will be shared with them. Now, this process is literally easy. So I'm telling you that this process can be automated. How? So I'm going to integrate Typeform with Discord in such a way that every time there's a new form submission, automatically a message will be shared with the person. How do we do this? With the help of Pabbly Connect software. So this particular software is a brilliant integration and automation software where you do not need any coding skills and the process is literally easy. We can do this together. How? Let me take you to my screen. So the first thing that we are supposed to do here is type a URL pabbly.com/connect. And as we do that, it will take us to the landing page of Pabbly Connect software. Now here, if you already are a user, you can simply sign in. And if you are a new user, then you have to sign up for free. And you just have to click on this blue tab. I'm already a user here, so I'm only going to click on sign in. And it will take me to the all apps page. Here we are doing this integration using the Pabbly Connect software. So I'll click on access now. Now this has taken me to the dashboard. Here on the right hand side, you can see create workflow, the blue tab. Let's click on that and a dialog box appears which is asking us to name our workflow. Now what am I going to do here? I am going to integrate two applications, Typeform and Discord. So I am going to name my workflow as Typeform to Discord. And let's click on create. Now as I do this, this has again taken us to another window where you can see two very important features, trigger and action. Trigger and actions are basically two principles on which the entire automation works. Trigger means this happens. So when this happens is the if case and action means do this. So here our first application that we are supposed to choose is Typeform. Why Typeform? Because every time there is new information, new lead on Typeform, then a message has to be sent to Discord. So I'm going to click on this Typeform. And as I do that, so it is asking me for the trigger event. Now trigger event would be a new entry, like a new contact, a new lead. So that is it. And let's click on connect. Now here it is asking us to add new connection or select an existing connection. Basically, we have to connect Typeform account with Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on add new connection and then connect with Typeform. Now as we have already logged in to our Typeform account, so Pabbly Connect detected the same and now it is asking us here for the authorization permission. So let's accept this. So it has already taken the name of a form, new policy survey. Now what is this form basically? So if I take you to my Typeform account, here you can see this is the landing page, my workspace and create platform. So I have clicked on this tab and I have created a Typeform. This is the Typeform new policy survey where I have taken a few questions. Now when I go back to Pabbly Connect, so the form has to be integrated. So when I click on save and send test request, and I click on yes. So now it is asking me to fill in some dummy details. Why? Because it is waiting for response. So here I have to do a test submission. So I'm going to go back to my Typeform and here I'll click on share. Now as I do that, here I have received a link. I'm going to copy this link, open a new tab and paste this link. So once done, my form is right in front of me. Now here let me fill in some dummy details. So name is dummy name. Department, so let's say the department is finance. And email is demo@pabblytools.com. Then have you read the policy? Say yes. Do you feel the need to inculcate this policy? Let's say I feel the need and rate this policy. So I am going to rate this at 8 on 10. So here the form submission has been done. Now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that we have received the API response. All the details have been inculcated here. So basically we can say that Typeform has been successfully integrated with Pabbly Connect. Now let's move on to the second step of integration, where we have to choose our next application, which is going to be Discord. As I wish to receive the messages on Discord now, what would be the action event? Action event would be send channel message markdown. And let's click on connect. Here, once it is connected, it is asking us for the following details: webhook URL, a message to be sent, etc. Now to get the webhook URL, we are again going to go back to Discord. Now here I have already logged into Discord. This is the home page, and I'm going to click on integrations, which is there on the left hand side. And once I do this, here you can see settings. I'll click on settings, go to integration, and then webhooks. Now I'm going to click on new webhook, and I'm going to give my webhook a name. So let's say new webhook. Here I am going to save the changes and then copy webhook URL. Then we'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we are going to paste this URL. Now comes the message. So what is the message that you wish to send to your team? So I'm going to write, hello team, we have received a new lead from Typeform. Details are, first of all, let's map the name. So to map the data, I'm going to click on Typeform new entry, and let's write name here. So here you will get the name, which is dummy name. So now let's understand the department. So I'm again going to map my data. Here I'm going to write finance. Okay. The third thing that I wish is the email ID. So again we are going to map our data, and here I'm going to write email, and yes, here it is. And then all the best. Cheers. So this is the message that I wish to send to my team. Now this is just a dummy message. You can create a message as per your need, and once created, we'll go down and we'll click on save and send test request. Now the message has been sent. To check this, we are going to go back to our Discord page. And here you can see new webhook is the name. Hello team, we have received a new team lead from Typeform, and these are the details. All the best, cheers. So basically the entire integration process has been successful. So Typeform was successfully connected with Pabbly, and then it was connected with Discord. Now to check this, again what we are going to do is we are going to go back to our form, the Typeform that we had filled, and let's again fill it. Just a real-time check. So let's fill in with demo name is the name. Department, let's say this time the department is HR. Email address is, let's say, dummy@pabblytuts.com. And then we are going to click on enter. Have you read the policy? Let's say we haven't read the policy. Do you feel a need to inculcate this policy? No, I don't feel a need and rate this policy. Now suppose I did not like the policy at all, so I'm going to click on 2 and then submit my form. So what I need to check is, the moment I have submitted the form, did I receive a message on Discord? So here you can see that hello team, and we have received the message successfully. This was the entire integration process. It is just a 2-step process where all you have to do is, first you have to integrate Typeform with Pabbly Connect, and then you have to integrate the same with Discord. If in case you have got any doubt, do not worry, because the workflow of the same has been given in the description box. I hope this is very much clear to you.